How to add a reference line to a scatter plot. In this case, I have a scatter plot with sales and profit. I have an average sales reference line, and I have an average profit reference line. These marks are below average profit, below average sales, and these marks up here are above average profit and above average sales. Let's add a new sheet and see how to do it. First, we have to build our scatter plot by typing in sales on columns and profit on rows. Under analysis, uncheck aggregate measures. So I have a mark for each row in my data. And let's go ahead and drag profit over to color as well. If I want to add a reference line for average sales and average profit, I need to use a function called window average. Let's create a new calculated field and call it average sales. The function here is going to be window underscore average sum of sales. Click apply and OK. Now what Tableau is going to do here is it's going to sum up each sale, each mark on the screen, and then take the average of it. That's what window average does. It's a table calculation. Let's drag average sales to detail. And right click the sales axis, add reference line. The value here is going to be average sales. And it's not quite intuitive, but you're going to have to either choose the average, maximum, or minimum. The average of the average is going to be the same. The minimum average is going to be exactly the same. You don't want to sum it up. Then it would take the average and multiply it by how many marks there are. Let's just set it as the maximum and change my label to be custom. I'm going to call it average sales. And let's make it a dotted line. Click OK. And I have an average sales reference line. Do the same thing for profit, and you can see which marks are above average sales and profit and which marks are below average sales and profit. Hope this helps.